Hello pilots and ground crew, welcome back to my channel. Well, this is a quick video and it's just about some information that I've received, and they say you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Well, you can. From a new pilot, right? And anyhow, what it is, the Tango 2 transmitter. I made a video a few months ago now, all about the Tango 2 and how to open it up to change things in like the gimbals and stuff like that. And I mentioned in the video, if you wanted to do any type of update on your SD card, right, I mentioned you actually have to do this, open the case up of the transmitter to get at the SD card. So you might want to change the sounds or whatever it is you want to do. Well, it turns out, yes, you can do it that way, but you don't have to. I was wrong. Yeah, I've received a comment, right, on that particular video from a guy called Andrew Young. And I checked his channel out. He's a new pilot, actually. And, well, I don't know how he's found out, but he knows more than me, because I didn't know this. What it is, on your actual Tango 2, when you plug in a USB cable to it, the underneath, right, and then you plug your USB into your computer, whatever, to play your simulator games and everything. Well, on the screen of the Tango 2, right, you get an option pops up. There's like 3 options. I've seen them a million times and never bothered reading them or paying any attention, because I'm only interested in the first one, which actually says, right, USB SIM or something like that. So anyway, yeah, you click on the one that says SD card. There's actual, on your Tango 2, on the screen itself, the little screen, alright, when you plug in your USB into the computer, on the actual screen it actually says sum up USB SD card. Well, you click on that, and then you've got all your information on your SD card actually on your computer, on your screen in front of you and everything. And then when you finish changing whatever it is you want to change, all you do is just come out of it like you'd come out of anything on your computer, just eject, and then take out your USB plug, or USB-C plug. But yeah, so Andrew Young, right, a newer pilot, he told me about this and I did not know. I'd never even heard of it before. And like I said, I've played simulators with a Tango 2 quite a few times, and I've never actually read the screen, and it's there right in front of you. So this is really sort of like, did you know? And if not, don't thank me, thank Andrew. Okay then, pilots and ground crew, I'm going to leave it there. Oh, tell us what you think about this video, because I'm using a new webcam I've got. There's not much light in here at the moment, and I know I need some light at this side, because I can see on the computer down there, I can see this side of my face is like dark. It's the dark side of the moon, so I need a light at this side. But I just thought I'd test out the new webcam at the same time. Alright then, pilots and ground crew, I'll leave it there. So hope this helps, and once again, Andrew Young. Alright, thanks for watching everybody, and cheers.